Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We have got an everyday essential for you. So this is the Gucci Marmont Matelassé shoulder bag. And I think everybody needs a golden black crossbody bag. It is like a wardrobe essential, and the Gucci Marmont is the perfect bag for it. I'm going to talk you through the features. So we have an adjustable leather and chain strap. You can see we've got it on the shortest setting at the minute. And then we have Gucci logo on the front. It's in this really nice kind of antique kind of gold looking hardware. We've got a zip top closure with a nice long tassel zip pull, and then inside we have microfiber lining, which is really nice and soft, and we've just got one flat pocket, and the Gucci tag is just attached to this flat pocket, and you can see the serial code along the back there. The condition of it is in a really nice condition. We've called the exterior good, and we're actually being really picky because it looks beautiful, but it does just have a few little marks. So you can see that the leather has a little bit of dimpling to it in areas. So you can see just there and just here, and very kind of slight creases on that leather. And then on the back as well, underneath that GG quilting, you can see a very faint little scratch just there. But other than that, this leather is beautiful. You can see how glossy it is. Those corners are perfect. They are really nice, and the shape is still really nice as well. So that's why I've called that exterior good condition. And then the hardware we have called very good condition. Like I said before, it's meant to have a kind of, especially this GG here and on the zip top closure, it's meant to have a kind of antique-y kind of look to it, a little bit of a brushed look. But you can see on this GG, there's a couple of points where it's just got a couple of extra little marks on it. So just there, and a little mark just here as well. But because it has that kind of antique-y look to it, it will suit a little bit of wear as you use it as well. And then the interior, again, we've called it very good condition. There isn't particularly any standout marks for me to show you in there. You can just tell that it has been used before. The microfiber starts kind of really slightly bobbling, but only very, very slightly. And there's some slight marks on this pocket. You can see really small little marks like that one, but other than that, again, it's perfect on the interior. So that is why we've called the interior very good condition. I'll show you what it comes with. So we have the Gucci paper bag, as well as the Gucci box, and then we have the ribbon for the box as well. We have the Gucci little envelope, and that has got the original receipt inside there. And then finally, we've got the Gucci dust bag. So it comes with all the extra bits, which is always really nice. And if you love this bag, you can find it on our website. Quickest way to get to this bag on our website is to click the link in the description below. That link will take you straight to this on armcandybagco.com. If it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic product page, that does mean it has sold. But we do have a request list, so if you've been looking out for one of these, let us know. We'll get you on the request list, and then as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know. So before you get on that request list though, I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10, and I'm 5'4". Again, we've got that strap on the shortest setting at the minute. So you can pop it crossbody, and it's a nice crossbody length as well. And it's actually a nice size. It's a size small, and they call it the size small on the Gucci website. But you actually have quite a bit of space in there. You could fit my phone, I could fit a purse, fit my keys, a few makeup essentials as well. You actually have a nice bit of space in there. I think it would make a perfect day to evening little black and gold bag, and you can pop it on your shoulder as well. And if you would like to make that strap a little bit longer, you've got that option too. So don't forget to have a look at this on our website. While you're on our website, sign up to our newsletter. When you sign up to our newsletter, we will send you through your welcome discount code to use on your first purchase, so don't miss out on that. And also have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you're interested in selling your Armcandy with us. All the details you need to know will be on that page. And we'll see you very soon with some more gorgeous Armcandy.